Making your voice work for you. The Power of Reading Aloud. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful proofreading technique, reading aloud. But, we're adding a twist. We'll explore how to use technology to enhance this process, especially focusing on the practice of recording yourself reading aloud. Let's see how this method can drastically improve your proofreading and editing skills. When you read your text aloud, you naturally slow down and pay more attention to the words and sentence structures. This helps in catching errors. Mistakes that might be overlooked while reading silently become evident. Hearing the flow. It allows you to notice if the sentences flow smoothly and if they sound natural. Improving pronunciation. This is a bonus. By reading aloud, you also practice how to pronounce words correctly. You might ask, why should I record myself when I can just read aloud? Here's why. Playback option. You can listen to yourself multiple times. Often, on the second or third listen, you may catch errors you missed the first time. Objective listening. Hearing yourself as if you're another person allows you to be more objective about your own writing. Save for later. Keeping a recording means you can revisit it later, perhaps when you've gained more knowledge or after taking a break, giving fresh ears to the content. With smartphones, tablets, and computers, recording yourself has never been easier. Here's a simple guide. 1. Choose a recording app or software. Most devices come with a built-in voice recorder. No need for fancy tools. 2. Find a quiet place. Background noise can be distracting. Find a quiet space to read and record. 3. Read naturally. Don't rush. Read as if you're reading to someone else. Remember, this is both a proofreading exercise and a pronunciation practice. 4. Listen to the playback. Use headphones if possible. They can help you hear better and identify subtle errors. 5. Take notes. As you listen, jot down parts that need editing or correction. Recording yourself while reading aloud is a tool you didn't know you needed. It's an excellent way to combine technology and traditional proofreading techniques for a more effective learning experience. We hope you'll give this method a try. Remember, every step you take in refining your language skills makes a huge difference. Happy proofreading and see you in the next video.